Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to pay bills using the Scotiabank mobile app step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Scotiabank app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on Move Money at the bottom. Next, go to the Payments section and select Pay Bills. Now, choose the account you want to pay from. After that, select a payee. If you already have one set up, just choose it from the list. If not, tap Add New Payee and enter the required details. Once your payee is selected, enter the amount you want to pay and tap Done. If needed, you can also set a payment date or choose a recurring payment frequency. Finally, review the details and slide to confirm the payment. And that's it. You've successfully paid a bill using the Scotiabank app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.